Welcome back to Visibility Hacker Radio. Today we are diving into the world of content repurposing, and we're going to explore the power of golden nuggets, those valuable insights and key moments from your long-form content that can be transformed into bite-sized shareable pieces. We'll talk about the benefits of repurposing content, we'll share a case study or two, and answer some of your burning questions. So buckle up and let's get started.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
I want to share a case study that perfectly illustrates the power of repurposing content through golden nuggets, this golden nugget process. A small business owner, Sarah, runs a successful online coaching program. She realized that her long-form content, such as her webinars and in-depth articles, had so much untapped potential. She decided to start extracting golden nuggets from her content and repurposing them into engaging social media posts, graphics, and short videos. The result? Well, Sarah's audience engagement skyrocketed. Her reach expanded, and she started attracting new clients who discovered her content through these bite-sized pieces. By leveraging the power of golden nuggets, Sarah was able to maximize her content's impact with minimal extra effort. Now let's hear from one of our listeners, Mark, who has been successfully implementing the golden nugget strategy in his business. Mark, tell us about your experience.
Thanks for having me on the show. I run a marketing agency, and we've been using golden nuggets to structure and repurpose our content for about a year now. The results have been fantastic. We've seen a significant increase in engagement, website traffic, and even new client inquiries. It's like we're giving our content a second life, and it has saved us a ton of time and effort. I can't recommend the golden nugget strategy enough for anyone looking to get more value out of their content.
Thanks for sharing your experience, Mark. Now let's dive into some of our listeners' questions. Our first question comes from Jane, who asks, how do I identify the best golden nuggets for my long-form content? Great question, Jane. When identifying golden nuggets, look for key insights, compelling stories, or practical tips that can stand alone and provide value. Think about the main points you want your audience to remember and make a list of these key moments. Remember to keep your target audience in mind and select the nugget that will resonate with them the most. Our next question is from Alex, who wants to know, how can I effectively repurpose my golden nuggets into different formats? This is also an excellent question, Alex. The first step is to intentionally incorporate your golden nuggets into your main stage content, making it easier to edit and repurpose later. Then, think about the platforms where you want to share your repurposed content. So, for example, you could turn a key insight from a blog post into a Facebook post or a quote graphic for Instagram. You could create a short video based on a compelling story, or even design an infographic that highlights a practical tip. These are different ways of repurposing that core content into smaller bits. But make sure that you experiment with different formats to see what works best for your audience and your brand.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Visibility Hacker YouTube channel.
And that wraps up today's episode on the power of golden nuggets and content repurposing. By extracting and repurposing these valuable moments from your long-form content, you can save time, expand your reach, and boost your content's impact. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and insights for your business journey.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.